Today we will see the next part of lesson number 3. Water is precious. Today we will see the new method of water harvesting. In previous points we have discussed about how the water was saved in olden times and how it was used. After British came in India, they brought new ways of water harvesting which we use till today. Now, what are that ways of harvesting and why we adopted that system of harvesting, water harvesting? We have seen in olden days we used to use baulis, wells, talabs, which are rarely seen today, or sometimes it is not even seen. So, taps, tankers, borewells, and pumps took the place of baulis, wells, and talabs. In olden days, every house or every locality used to have a well, but today we can see local taps, or even though we are having our own taps in our house, and some places where the water scarcity is there, the government provides the water with the tankers. Also, there are borewells and hand pumps. These newer methods are considered to be more efficient and still we are following that. The second is dams. Dams are a concrete structure that are built across the stream of river, means on a flowing river. The main aim of this dam, construction of dam, is to hold back the water and collect it. This water can be used for the farmers to irrigate the crops. Also, the same water can be used for supplying the water in the cities. Now, this is the primary supply of the source nearby the villages and cities. The next one is rainwater harvesting. What exactly is the meaning of rainwater harvesting? As we know, rain is the primary source of water. It is the rainwater that fills up ponds, rivers, lakes, and all our water bodies. Now, the rainwater harvesting is a simple technique or a simple method and the most economic method of storing runoff water. Now, normally the rainwater flows from the roofs, courtyards is directed to the deep hole in the ground. This increases the groundwater level. Rainwater can also be collected in tanks on rooftops. Flood water from the streams can also be collected and stored in this way. This water can be used for activities like cleaning, washing, watering plants, etc. Today, if you want to build a house or any structure, the government asks you to first plan for the rainwater harvesting, and then only it permits you to build a house. Now, what are the advantages of rainwater harvesting? The level of the groundwater increases, the increase of flood and drought decreases, the water problem is under check. Now, how it is said that by rainwater harvesting, the flooding and drought can be decreased. See, if we harvest the rainwater, the flowing water can be controlled and it can be absorbed in the soil. As the rainwater is absorbed, the groundwater level increases, due to which the drought is not occurred. So by doing one thing, we can solve two problems. Our government is trying hard to make rainwater harvesting technique popular. We know Rajasthan is known for its dry weather and desert because of less water. But a person known as Sri Rajendra Singh of Tarun Bharat won the Magasya Award for his hard work in water harvesting in Rajasthan. Because of his hard work today, most of the places in Rajasthan has increased its groundwater level. Apart from this, today we can see in villages and farms, peoples are building big structures of storing water, which is also a part of harvesting water, harvesting rainwater or collecting the rainwater. Because of this, the farmer can easily give the water for his crops, means he can easily irrigate his crops.